Ever feel like your kitchen is a money pit with groceries going bad before you use them? Here's a powerful life pro tip. Embrace meal prepping. By planning your meals for the week ahead, you not only take control of what you eat, but you also dramatically cut down on unnecessary spending and waste. Start by choosing a few versatile ingredients. Think rice, beans, chicken, and seasonal vegetables. Build a menu around those, mixing and matching to keep things fresh and interesting. Prep and portion your meals in advance, storing them in reusable containers to maintain freshness and convenience. You'll avoid the temptation to order takeout or make impulse buys at the store, which often add up quickly. Plus, cooking in batches means you save time and energy throughout the week, freeing up your evenings for other activities. Don't forget to use what you already have in your pantry to minimize waste and stretch your ingredients further. With a little organization, meal prepping helps you eat healthier, reduces stress around daily cooking decisions, and keeps your kitchen and your wallet in check. Try it this week and watch the benefits stack up.